Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious BBQ sauce chicken. First, select your preferred chicken pieces, whether bone-in thighs or boneless breasts. Next, decide on your barbecue sauce. You can make it from scratch or use a quality store-bought option. Remember to marinate your chicken for maximum flavor before cooking. Finally, we'll cover grilling or baking techniques to ensure perfectly cooked, juicy chicken. For the best BBQ chicken, consider using bone-in thighs or drumsticks, as they tend to stay juicier. Always pat your chicken dry before seasoning to help achieve that desirable crispy skin. Apply a generous rub of salt, pepper, and other spices to all sides. Then, let your chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes or even overnight to really infuse those wonderful flavors. Crafting your own BBQ sauce is simpler than you think. Start with a base of 1 1/2 cups of ketchup, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Enhance the flavor with Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and a hint of liquid smoke. Don't forget garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika for depth. Simmer this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes until it reaches your desired thickness. When you're ready to cook, preheat your grill to a medium heat. Place the chicken on the grill, cooking it thoroughly. Remember to baste with your delicious BBQ sauce during the final 10 to 15 minutes of cooking to prevent burning and build a sticky glaze. Always check that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Finally, let the chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving to keep it juicy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.